Bonjour, comment allez-vous? Hello, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel, amourdefrancais. If you have already subscribed to my channel, press the bell icon to get the latest updates. In today's class, we'll be learning something different. We will do basic phrases in French. Let's get started. So, suppose that you are in France and you don't know French that well. So, in today's class, we will learn such phrases which will really help you even if you are a newbie in French or you don't know French at all or you are a pro in French. Let's get started. The first one which we are going to learn is bonjour. Of course, very common. As you have listened me saying bonjour in the beginning of each and every video. Bonjour means hello. And the even more frank or informal way of bonjour can be salut, which is simply hi. So bonjour goes with formal and informal both, and salut goes with informal. Salut should not be used in formal. Second one is s'il te plaît. Please notice the chapeau above I. S'il te plaît. Simply please. And it can be also written as s'il vous plaît, which is for me is quite better than s'il te plaît. It has the same meaning, please. Reason being, s'il te plaît is for informal way and the s'il vous plaît is the formal way. So better to be formal while speaking French. Third one is je t'aime. Quite common. I love you. So, next month is February, 14 Feb, Valentine's Day. Go to your crush and say je t'aime. That person will be really impressed from you. And je t'aime, you can even add mon amour. Mon amour, amour de français. Amour, my love. So it will really have a lasting impression on your crush. Now, the fourth one. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Merci means thank you. And beaucoup, a lot. Together, it makes thanks a lot. Now, it depends on you whether you want to say only thank you, which is merci, or you want to say thanks a lot, which is merci beaucoup. Now, the next one. L'addition, s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît, already discussed, please. And l'addition, it's not the addition in maths. L'addition is bill. So suppose you are in a restaurant or you buy something from a shop. When the time comes to pay, you will ask for the bill, of course. So in France, if you have visited a French restaurant or French a shop, you will say l'addition, s'il vous plaît, the bill, please. Sixth one, la carte, s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît, again, please. La carte means menu. Again, imagine you are in France, you have visited the French restaurant and you want to eat something, of course. So you will ask for the menu and you will ask the waiter like this, la carte s'il vous plaît. Now this word carte has been adopted in many other restaurants also. Like in most of the restaurants, instead of menu, you will see a la carte written at the top. So a la carte, if we say together, it means to the menu. Next one, je veux commander maintenant. Je veux commander maintenant. Je means I, veux is the present tense conjugation of vouloir with je. Commander means to demand. And maintenant, M-A-I-N-T-A-I-N-A-N-T, maintenant means now. So its translation will be, I would like to place an order now. Now the eighth one, à quelle heure est-ce qu'il régler la note? À quelle heure, at what time, à quelle heure est-ce qu'il régler la note? Its translation, when is the checkout? So again, imagine you are in France, you are staying in a French hotel, and of course you would be asking at the reception at what time is the checkout. So you can simply ask in French, à quelle heure est-ce qu'il règle la note? Ninth phrase, où sont les toilettes? Où sont les toilettes means where are the toilets? Now the 10th one, c'est combien? Combien we have already discussed, it means how much. So c'est combien? It means how much to pay. And in place of say combien, you can also say combien ça coûte. Combien ça coûte? How much does it cost? Now, how much to pay and how much does it cost? One is the same thing. So you can use any of the two. 11. Je voudrais acheter un billet. Its translation, I would like to buy a ticket. Now, billet, B-I-L-L-E-N-T means ticket, an article. Acheter is the verb which means to buy, and voudrais is the present conditional. Of the verb vouloir. This tense we haven't discussed yet, we will discuss it later. 12th phrase, où est dash question mark. Dash, it can be any location. Suppose you are in Paris and you want to know where is Arc de Triomphe, you will say où est Arc de Triomphe, Eiffel Tower, Où est la Tour Eiffel? Airport. Où est l'aéroport? So we have already done this. 13th. Plus lentement. Plus lentement. More slowly. Suppose you believe that you are well versed in spoken French, but when you go to France, French is their native language, hence they will be speaking a bit faster than us. So it may happen that you don't understand them, some phrases you don't understand. So you can say plus lentement or more slowly to them, hence they will speak a bit slow and you can understand it also. Next one. Que veut dire ça? Que means what? Veut, present tense conjugation of vouloir. Dire means to say, and ça means it or this. So together it makes what does it mean? Again, there might be some words or phrases which you don't know, and you are in France and the French people are talking about those only to you, hence it's quite obvious that you won't be knowing that. So you would be asking its meaning. So, que veut dire ça? What does it mean? 15th. Je ne comprends pas. Same case, you are in France and maybe you don't know French that good as French people, and hence there might be something which you don't know or you don't understand. So when the French person will say something to you which you don't understand, you will simply say, je ne comprends pas, I don't understand. Je means I, comprends is the verb comprendre, which means to understand, and ne pas the basic negation. So if you say je ne comprends pas, I don't understand, of course the French native will speak in a way which you will understand, so it's better for you. C'est tout pour aujourd'hui, that's all for today. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubt or suggestion, you may write that in the comment section below. And one more thing, do let me know that does these phrases helped you or not. And one more thing, you can also like my Facebook page, amourdefrancais French classes. Here I am uploading test papers on regular basis based on my YouTube videos. So you can solve them, and it will be really amazing that if you try it with utmost dedication, because it will really help you to learn even better. Thanks for watching. Au revoir. N'oubliez pas que la langue française est l'amour.